Hi and welcome to Software Skills Google Sheets. In today's video we're looking at how to format between a percentage and a decimal format. So to start with, we're looking at how to create percentages. To start, you should state your percentages in a decimal format as so. So this one, for example, is 74%, so we write 0.74. Then highlight the cells you want to turn into a percentage format and go here, format as percent, and click on it, and you will see that your figures automatically become a percentage. And obviously we can either increase it or decrease decimal places just to make this neater. I'll decrease it as so, and you can see that our figures are now in a percentage format. Now we'll look at the other way around, how to go from a percentage format back to a decimal format. And to do this, we simply go on to more formats, and you can see here that we can also change the percent via this method as well as through that button. And in our case, we're looking at how to go back into the decimal format, and the way to do that is simply clicking on automatic, which takes us back to the original format of decimal place. So that is how to move between the decimal places format to the percentage format, and then to go back to this format again. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.